Hello everyone. I once again welcome you to our tutorials edition right here on ArtSmall. And today I want us to look at how to get your audio in an edit view, the output of your audio in an edit view. Many a times people have been asking us, how can they do this? Looks like most of when they want to edit, they are not getting the output of the audio where they want to hear it. So let's say, for instance, you've connected your computer to a particular audio output device. You want to hear the editing on that particular output device, but you're not hearing it. They struggle to do it. So today, I want to explore that option and see. So I'm using this version of Adobe Audition to do that. And to do that is very simple. Just stick with me and let's do this process. So first of all, this is what you have to do. After you have imported your file, so let me take these files off and then let me re-import them again. So let's say you've introduced this audio into your Adobe Audition for you to be able to edit it. When you click on the audio, I'm not hearing it on the system. I want to hear it. I've connected a Samsung television to my PC and I want to hear it in the audio of the Samsung television. So how do I do that? It is a very simple process. You go to options, you come to device properties. Over here, device properties, you come to wave out. And at wave out, you click on this. And then you select the audio output. Okay, so you select this. When you select this, you also have to come to use this device in edit view. And then you click on it. When you click on it and you press OK, you should get what you're looking for.
Azachi abium obazinyan helilfihen ketado. Azachi.
So exactly this is what we're looking at. So the process again is very simple. You come to options, you come to device properties, you come to this side, which is wave out, okay, and you click on which output device you want to use. And when you click on it, you have to use this device in edit view. Click on the use this device in edit view, go to OK, all right, and when you come to OK, you are done.
Azachi abium obazinyan helilfihen.
Thank you, subscribe, and let's link up.